Hello again, this is part 2 of my sawmill and mine MOC I made. So this is the second segment, which is the desert mine, which has a lot more than just a mine. Yeah, I think we'll start off with the two train cars, the passenger S car and the caboose, and then we'll talk about the environment. There's nothing inside, so every detail I added was really just the outside stuff. So there's a 2-stud spot here for someone to stand. Really, this is just for looks and display because this has no value other than just looking good. The door doesn't open and a figure could barely stand there. Plus there's not a lot of space for them to stand with the brake wheel. So there's that. These are custom little wheel assemblies I made that just go into a plate with Technicals in it. But yeah, so very asymmetrical. So this side actually has a lot less windows because on the other side this is a window. So there's a full window here and then a window that's been brought down per se. And then we got some olive green and then some, I think some reddish brown? No, it's like orange brown or something. So there's a lot of texture here. There's the black, we got the dark tan, we got the gray. This piece is miscolored, that's not on purpose, but it kind of adds to it in a sense. And then we also have this little handrail piece that I liked for the textures, so I just used it there. We got another door. This one is not in the medium nougat. It's got some different texturing here. Also doesn't open, 2-stud gap. And coming around to the other side, you'll find it is a very different look. Like this railing is not dark tan, rather it's black, so it fits the side more. So this is like the more cleaned up side. In a sense, there's actually a lot of miscoloration with the grays. There's just less saturation. So we got full windows, all the windows are up. They look very nice. But just a lot of the grays and stuff. So this is more of the boring side. So I like how the other one looks a little more. And then up top here we have just 3 ladder pieces and a short ladder piece clipped on here to represent just the metal part that people would walk on for either maintenance or whatever reason they may have to walk on top of train cars. I don't know. If you've ever been on top of a train car, you know what I'm talking about. They have the metal stuff here, so that's what I was going for. Yep, and that would be the passenger car. So we're gonna move this aside, boom, and we're gonna look at my custom caboose. It's got more of the grates on top to represent places people walk, ladders on both sides to get up on top because that's what cabooses do, I think. This one actually, if the doors did open, which they do not, it definitely has the space to. Black metal rods that would allow for people to get a hand while they get up. Yellow ladder here, so this is a 2-step ladder coming up that I added on all 4 sides. Large window on this side next to some messed up texture with the dark gray exposed, so this would be kind of like the paint got chipped off here. And then a very short top, so it doesn't look too cartoony. I like having the short top. Up here actually I have, I believe this is a texture from an Ant-Man set. This is a texture from a lot of sets for just a gauge. And then this is a sticker from a Jurassic World set. I think it's like an ATV that Owen drives from Jurassic World. It's an asymmetrical design, so this part is actually shifted back just a little bit from the middle. So this side's a little longer. It's got the same metal pieces up here, same ladder, little red light to represent like this is the end of the train, wrought iron beams to hang on to, ladder on all sides. Very minimal stuff down here just to kind of fill out the space. I didn't want to add too much to it. So that just is there. That's how it looks. Yeah, I just really like how this caboose looks, and it's a very recognizable car. It's not too cartoony looking, and I think it does well. We're gonna talk about my desert mine. Now, of course, I'm sure you are aware that my channel is named Cactus Productions, so I'm a big fan of cacti. So obviously I had to add as many cacti as possible without making it too obscene, but there is a fair bit of cactus here. Maybe to the point where it's too much, but honestly I don't care. So, but also because I like cacti, I like Western builds, so I had to make this. Anyways, there's a nice curved track that's indented on top of the grate plate. So it's being held on by bricks here. So it's a brick off of the ground, and I think it kind of rests in the middle here, so it kind of raises up on this side and on that side, if it focused. Little crossing here where like wagons would go with a medium nougat. I think that's the right color I'm saying. So like you can imagine like this would be a pathway for something to come across the tracks, go over to the mine here. So I think we'll start with, I guess we'll talk about this section because I really like how this all turned out. We got another little Minecraft Easter egg. So the other one had the ocelot. This one has just a Minecraft pumpkin for no reason. I don't remember if I put that there, if it just kind of ended up there and I left it there. Over here we have kind of like a hole for whatever reason. Like this might have been where like a watering hole was, and that's why there's a bucket there. And the bricks are meant to look a little more wet. Over here we have a older looking, it's very hidden actually, but it's a little old train light. So don't go one way, go the other direction. Just simple stuff. Over here we have the suggestion of it connecting to my forest build. So there's dark green here and some leaves and then some grass blades over here next to some dynamite. So this would be kind of where it connects. Same goes over there because eventually I might make a connecting module for that. But over here, so next to the path before the train crossing, we have a sign, one with a map and a wanted poster and a nice little dark green or like olive green weed. That's just kind of growing up here. We got some weeds right there. So some little sand texture, just a lot of this texturing I did and rock there. First little micro cactus. I like how this one looks, and plus it's got the classic wagon wheel leaning up next to it. So I think that's a nice little look. Try to get a better look in here. Yeah. Actually, wait, I can turn this thing. What am I doing? There we go. So we can look at this a lot better. We got a much larger cactus with my personal cactus design, although I think I might have copied this from the Lego movie, so maybe not completely original, but I like how it looks. Yeah, here you can kind of see just the path to the mine. Over here we have a little junkyard with some more modern stuff like this traffic light that was left here. So there's just a mixture of time periods throughout all of these builds, which I just enjoy having. Little fence here. Well, fence goes around, but this is the little gate with some chain over it. A little soda can in there, just random pieces that I thought looked nice for it. On the side here, so this is where like firewood would be. And then on this side, we just got two ladders representing a more secure fence. And then over here, next to the cactus and the weed, we got some more broken up fence. And then a dark gray fence here, keeping it off of the tracks. So this whole area is just nice and locked down. There's a bunch of pieces in there scrambled. Over here we have a windmill without any fabric over its blades or just plating in general. So it's not a very useful one at the moment, but this is more like a retired windmill. That's why it's all like messed up and textured. Like that little fin right there is kind of messed up. Over here is messed up. It's not even connected to a driving thing to bring up water or oil or whatever they were made for. So underneath we have where oil would have been going if there was a drill, which there is not a drill currently. And then we got a desaturated green leaf, just kind of showing some plant life, barely surviving like the rest of this, except for the cactus. Of course, those are brimming with life. So that's all underneath here. And then on the side here, a little even more modern suggestion, like this is like the fuel pump. So for a diesel train coming through here, this is where they would pick up stuff, and they got some nice coloring with the white to the gray to the dark gray. And then so some suggestion of like where it connects to a future module I may make with some medium nougat bricks and some grass and stuff. Obviously the tracks keep the wooden ties because still older tracks, and they gotta keep to their roots. Over here we got some more cactus with a Harry Potter owl sitting on top of it. And then we got a nice little cute cactus right there. Some more suggestion of grass. Dark tan for the kind of work environment. Show like it gets kicked up a little more. a rickety old building, like probably storage shed. No, nothing on the inside. Very detailed roof, and then a ladder going to this bridge that goes on top of the little sand, or the little on top of the cave system or the mine system. Over here we have dynamite and a beer bottle. You know, very classic things you would have in the West. And then kind of moving over here, we got some bones, so maybe like some leftovers from their dinners, or just stuff they may have dug up but they don't care much for since they're looking for gold. You know, it's the West, they need their gold. And some more dynamite in a crate. This is the largest of all the cacti, and it has a chain just hanging over it because it is the boss. It's the boss cactus. It looks really cool. Over here we have a little chain fence just here, nowhere else, because they're not caring about safety that much, but they just have it here because maybe the old fence got ripped down and this is the last part. Anyways, here's the entrance to the mine shaft. There's not much going on. Open back. I didn't really texture them inside that much, but I did texture the ground before the track. So here's a little mine cart track. There's some silver there, Chi that they may have found, but they don't know the value of. Yeah, so just a basic mine shaft entrance. Some little cactus builds up here, since there's it's a little higher up. Only the little ones get up here. And this design I used from a Lego movie set, which had this exact design. I liked how it looked, so I have that one there. I got one to kind of mimic it, but also it's a little smaller. Mystery, a bag. It was a cactus character. The other side is a face hole, but I turned that around so I could have just a cactus. It's a very nice official cactus looking build. Anyway, behind the boss cactus, there's actually a little spot that they were putting dynamite in. And this is where they've been blowing out some, like a new hole into the side here. I got a little crane up here to get stuff up to the upper level. So there's just a lot of texturing down there, some loose studs to just show all the loose rock and stuff. And then another way to get on top of this, like this extra level, like above the mine shaft, staircase. So we have the ladder on the building and the staircase, the yellow hay bale that's stuck under there. And then over here, we just have this upper shed, which is like another extra storage shed. We got some tools out front, and it's right next to the little bridge here. And then just some nice rock texturing with all the tan and gray. Here's our cactus again. Little crane, which just has the winch. Our baby little cactus, the smallest one, little cute thing. Yeah, and that's this whole area. Yeah, so if you liked how I designed this, please like and subscribe for more. I'd be happy to make more MOCs if people actually like them. And yeah, just let me know any details you liked, any details you may not have liked, and what you'd like me to do in the future. I will be posting more stuff on this channel shortly. Thank you so much for watching.